Hello, great people. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. I hope that you enjoy. After you shred your zucchini, take a good handful or two and place it on a clean kitchen towel. Wrap it into a knot and just squeeze out all the juices as much as you can. Zucchini holds a lot of liquid. Once you squeeze out all the juices, have some sandwich bags or small container bags available so that you can place this amount into the bag. It is approximately 7 ounces. And I have these small plastic bags that I place the shredded zucchini in. And when you unthaw these, you can use one or two, depending on the size of your zucchini bread. So I'm doing all this in preparation for fall zucchini bread, because fall is around the corner. So I'll just grab the rest of it that's in here. And I'm squeezing out some of the juices into the bowl. This last good handful has a lot of fluid in it. Then just do the same process. I ended up using 2 clean towels, because in total I filled 4 bags. And if you hear what's going on in the background, I'm listening and watching Planter Garden TV as I edit this video, how he creates his food for us for $10. Very interesting. He's very knowledgeable and wise. So I'm doing the same process. I have bags ready. I'm going to place this in the bag. I've already done 3 bags, so I have 4 bags that I have put the zucchini in. I flatten these, get all the air out. Fits in the freezer better, and you want that air out of your bags.
So now, I'll show you the yam, right? And now show you the yam, and now I'm going to show you, I already show you how I prepare the yam. And this is the yam bread. All of them going on over there, but this is actually the yam itself.
There you have it. 4 7-ounce bags of shredded zucchini to place into the freezer, so that I will have a step ahead in making zucchini bread soon. I just created some labels to place on the bags with the date and the name of what's in here. Happy prepping. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I appreciate you. Y'all come back. I got more. See ya. Toodles. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace and love. Thank you.